Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use Airtable automations to streamline your tasks. First off, open your Airtable base and click the Automations button on the top right. This is where the magic happens. Automations allow Airtable to conduct tasks for you, saving you time and effort. Now that we've done that, locate and click New Automation. Name it something relevant for easy reference. This step is important because it helps you organize your automations, particularly if you have numerous ones running simultaneously. Next up, we're setting up a trigger. Depending on your needs, this could be when a new record is created, a record is updated, or a record matches certain conditions. The reason we do this is to tell Airtable when it should activate the automation. Once you've set the trigger, it's time to define the actions. Actions could be sending an email, creating a new record, or updating an existing one. This helps us because it's basically instructing Airtable on what to do once the trigger event happens. Now, click Run Test to ensure your automation works as expected. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Airtable is using an existing record to simulate the trigger and action. It's crucial to test your automation to identify and rectify any problems before it goes live. Finally, when you're satisfied with your test results, hit Turn On. Your automation is now active and will operate based on the conditions you set. And there you have it. You've just set up an Airtable automation. By automating repetitive tasks, you can focus on more important things. That's all for today's tutorial. And remember, work smarter, not harder.